is again Rubel from BFix Tech. So, luckily, I have been posting videos for more than 2 years now, and my subscriber is still around 1K. But thank you guys, all of you, help, subscription, and contribution. Now I got another thing, another gift from YouTube. So today's gift is a t-shirt from YouTube. Let's see how it is. Whoa, this is Excel. Nice. Okay. Let's see. It's a partner parks. There is something written in Arabic. I don't know. I don't understand it. But anyway, holy moly, this is an awesome t-shirt. Superb. Let's here see. Thank you so much. Please continue patronizing me, subscribing me, watching my videos, and like. Bye bye. Take care.